What's up, guys? So what's on my mind today? Today we're gonna cook a steak in the Instapot. Now, I've done this before and it actually turned out to be pretty good. So I'm just gonna take you guys through the steps with my steak in the Instapot. All right, so first we need to start out with a piece of meat. And this is a New York strip steak that I've already salted and peppered. And it's been in the refrigerator for about an hour and a half. And I'm just gonna set it out here. And we're gonna leave that out about 20 or 30 minutes because we want it to come up to room temperature. We don't want to cook a cold piece of meat. So we're gonna let it come up to room temperature, and then I'll show you the settings that I use to cook it in the Instapot. Okay? All right, guys, I'll be back. All right, guys, the 20 minutes are up now. So we're gonna put the steak in the Instapot. But first, this is an 8-quart Instapot that I bought for Christmas. And it came with this basket. We're gonna put this basket in first. This is like the air frying basket, but people have been known to air fry stuff just in this metal basket that comes with it. But we're gonna put that air fryer basket in. And then I bought these from Amazon. These are like egg holders that are specifically made for the Instant Pot. And that's gonna hold my steak. I'm gonna put the steak on there. Now, people have cooked their steak in the Instapot several different ways. Some people sous vide it. It's this button here, whatever. We're not gonna do that process. And other people have used the saute method, and then they saute the steak to sear it, and then they use the pressure cooker to cook the steak. But what we're gonna do is use the air fryer. I like this way better. It looks more like a steak this way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our piece of meat here, and we're gonna put the steak in the Instapot like that. And let me show you guys how it looks inside of the Instapot real quick. Get this on. And so it's gonna look like that inside of the Instapot. Can't tell if there you go, like that. So inside the Instapot like that. All right. And then, since this is the Instapot Duo, it comes with two different lids. One lid is the lid that's used for pressure cooking. And that's this lid right here. We put this on when we want to do pressure cooking or steaming or anything other than air frying. And this is the air frying lid right here. So we're gonna put the air frying lid on. Okay. And then we're gonna click air fry. And we're gonna cook it for 7 minutes on each side. So we click start. And then we wait. So after 7 minutes, I'm gonna turn it over, and then we'll cook it for another 7 minutes on the other side. For me, 7 minutes on each side, the steak will come out medium well, just the way I like it. Okay, so after 7 minutes, we'll come back and we'll turn it, put it on for another 7 minutes, and then after that, we'll be done. All right, guys, hold on. Okay, guys, we're coming to the end of the first 7 minute period. After this goes off, we're gonna flip the steak, turn the steak, and then put it in for another 7 minutes. All right, we're done. So we'll remove the top here. I'll show you guys how the steak look after the first 7 minutes there. So there you go, looks like that. Now, I'm gonna flip it. I'll show you how it looks on the other side. Got my trusty tongs here, so then I flipped it. All right. So we just flipped it, and this is how the steak looks on the side we just flipped it. All right. So what we're gonna do now is we'll put the dual lid back on, hit the air fryer again, And it should pull up 7 minutes because that's the last thing that we used. And we'll click start. And then we'll let it go for another 7 minutes. Okay, I'll see you guys at the end of 7 minutes. Okay guys, we're almost done with the last 20 seconds of the cook. And then we'll take it out and then we'll check out the steak and we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it looks. All right, okay guys, we're almost done. Last 5 seconds. Then we'll take the steak out, we'll cut into it and see what we have. All right, that's it. So we'll remove the lid here. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take the camera off the tripod here. Ooh, it smells delicious in here, guys. All right. So that's this steak there. All right, we're gonna take it, and we'll put it right here. Now, all right guys, so what we need to do is we need to let this steak rest for 5 minutes before we cut into it. Okay guys, so it's been 5 minutes. Hopefully that's enough time for the steak to rest. All right, I'm just gonna grab a knife here and then we're gonna cut into it. And then we'll see what we got. All right guys, here we go. All right. So let's see what we got on the inside here. Oh, that's perfect. That's a perfect medium well steak right there, guys. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this steak. You guys have a good day. All right, peace out.